What's going on with the Chicago real estate market? Let's take a look. Median sales prices continue to be steady. This is the third month in a row that prices have remained at $440,000 for a median sales price, both condominium and single-family home in the Chicago lakefront neighborhoods. Let's break it down first into condos, then single-family homes. And we're going to look at townships. I like to look where my clients are most located, and that's North Chicago Township and Lakeview. North is from the Chicago River on the west to Fullerton on the north. Lakeview is Fullerton, Chicago River, Western Avenue, and Devon. So, June year-to-date volume of closed sales. Let's look first at the red, which represents North Chicago Township. Not surprisingly, through June of 2020, during COVID, we took a hit, but we came back roaring in this year. We are surpassing by quite a bit 2020 and 71.6% to be exact, over June 30th of 2020. Looking at Lakeview Township, which is north of Fullerton, you can see that sales also for condominiums are high. Volume is $1 billion this year versus 608, or up 86% versus 2020, and up versus 735 million of 2019. So go us, lots and lots of real estate business. In terms of number of units, we're up about the same amount. In North Chicago, the number of units of 2,904 greatly surpasses last year and 2019. And same is said for the Lakeview Township at 2,829 units versus 1,600. That's up 75% versus last year, year to date. All right, so now, this is the median sales price to show you in numbers. North Chicago, the average, or I should say the median price of a condominium is $395,000, whereas in Lakeview, the median sales price of a condominium is $347,000. If you look at median price per square foot for North Chicago Township, it costs you about $324 per square foot to own a condominium, whereas in Lakeview, the median sales price is $267. And again, remember, this includes the northern, not just Lakeview neighborhood, but Lakeview Township. So it extends up to Devon. It includes all of the condominiums along Sheridan Road. Month supply of homes for sale. In North Chicago, we are down to 5.3 months worth of supply. So it's pretty much neither a buyer's nor a seller's market, and listings continue to decline. So the month supply continues to decline. Lakeview, 2.6 months supply is very much a seller's market, and it continues to decline. It's 29%, almost 30% versus volume of last year. Let's look now at a few neighborhoods. When we talk about condominiums, the real bulk of the condominiums are here in the Loop, South Loop, Lincoln Park, and West Town. The month supply of homes in these neighborhoods is as follows. The Loop, 8.4 months, and that has come down significantly. We were up here way high, over 15 months at one point during COVID, and it's come down to a very healthy 8.4. Near North Side is 8.0. The near South Side or South Loop area is 5.3 months. These two, Loop and near North, you would say that they are a buyer's market at this point. I would highly recommend, if you're thinking about investing in condominiums, that you consider getting a condominium in the Loop or near North area. These continue to come back, but we're still seeing good prices and good buying opportunities. Finally, Lincoln Park is very much a seller's market with condominium 3.2 months worth of supply. All right, let's check out single family homes. Again, let's go back to townships and look at sales. Here are unit sales, and you can see obviously we don't have as many units in single families as we do in homes, but the number of single families in Lincoln Park is up almost twice what it was through June of last year. Surprisingly, that number was even up versus 2019. So we're seeing significant increases in single family home sales. The same is true for Lakeview, 356 homes through June 30th of 2021 versus 212 versus last year. So we're up almost 70% versus previous year. How does that translate into sales volume? Well, $455 million worth of homes were sold in Lakeview Township through June of this year, which is up 92% versus last year. And you can see that we had a dip thanks to COVID, because the previous year, 2019, we had sales of 312, but still significant increase in single family homes in Lakeview Township versus the previous year. Condominium sales have increased significantly as well. We're up 116% versus sales through June of last year. So $436 million worth of condominium sales in Chicago North Township 2021. Median sales price. The median sales price for a single family home in North Chicago Township is $1,050,000 versus Lakeview Township of $1,125,000. And the month supply of single family homes, low. At Lakeview, you're at 2.7, which is down 46%. In North Chicago, 3 months worth of homes, down 58%. All right, let's look at it in terms of neighborhoods. And we're looking at the big 4 single family neighborhoods in Chicago. First, Lincoln Park. The median sales price for a single family home in Lincoln Park is $1,675,000. If I were to show you the average, it would be about $2 million, because we have so many more high-end single family homes in that neighborhood. But the median sales price is $1,675,000. Looking at Lakeview, $1,375,000 is the median sales price for a single family in Lakeview. Looking at North Center, which is Roscoe Village area, $1,150,000 is the median sales price. And in Westtown, which would include Ukrainian Village and Wicker Park, $955,000 is your median sales price. Let's look at those neighborhoods in terms of months supply. Months supply of homes for sale. The greatest number of homes for sale is Lincoln Park, but it is not much of a supply, 3.2 months, down 41%. Lakeview, 2.7 months worth of homes, down 25%. Westtown, 2.1 months, down 30%. And North Center, 1.1 months, down 62%. These are all very much a seller's market right now. So what does that say? It says there are buying opportunities and selling opportunities everywhere. It depends how you want to proceed. If you're looking to invest in condominiums, maybe an investment property, maybe a pied-à-terre near North or Loop is my recommended area for you. If you're thinking about selling your single family home, maybe you're downsizing, thinking about buying a smaller condominium, now would be a great time to make that move. But regardless, there's always a way to capitalize on the real estate market. I look forward to talking to you about how we can make it work best in your situation. Feel free to give me a call or email, and thanks for watching.